Greetings friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and I know you are aware of unboxing videos. That's where the person unboxes surprise videos, maybe not knowing what the contents are, or perhaps doing a review on a product or whatever, and those are always fun. This is the exact opposite. This is a boxing video. All right, so I'm going to show you how I box up these bad boys, these cigar box guitars, and then get them ready to ship. So the very first thing I need to point out here is that I get these size boxes here. This is 36 by 10 by 6 inches. And this is just a big cardboard box. There's a company here in Portland called Carton Services, and I have an account with them, and every so often I call them up and I say, need some more boxes, and then they put me on their will call and I go down and pick them up. So this is what I do here right off the bat. I figure out which is the bottom, and it's the side that has the letters that's the bottom. And then obviously tape it up. Got me some nice tape here, so I'm gonna, right off the bat here, I'm gonna tape this bad boy up here. So because this box is going all the way from Portland, Oregon, all the way to Australia, I double taped it, and put extra secure on the edges because I don't want to have any problems, and that creates this nice, sturdy, solid compartment for the cigar box. Okay, so the next thing I do is I get these marshmallowy packing peanuts things, and you can also just get newspapers and button these things up. You know, whatever you choose. You can actually cook up some real popcorn and use some real popcorn. That'd be awesome. You can do bubble wrap. I'm gonna go with the packing peanuts on this guy. And so I just create like a nice little bed on the bottom there. And then you wanna make sure to sign the instrument, because nothing is more frustrating than realizing after you have it all packed up that, oh, I forgot to sign it. So you open it all up, take it out, sign it, put it all back together. You wanna avoid that frustration. So make sure you sign your instrument before packing it all up. All right, so now what I do is I just make sure that I have gaps on both sides, top and the bottom. And here, let me show you that here. So I do have a nice little gap on the bottom and on the top. And then I'm gonna fill those in also with these guys. I'm gonna make this thing as snug as possible. Again, like I said, you can use newspapers, whatever you got to make this thing snug. Oh, I even got a huge big old plastic thing there. That's awesome. Now you can also bust these things open and pack them in there. I mean, it's just like building cigar box guitars. There are no rules, right? So you just get all creative in your packing. So, but I did want to show you this thing here. So I have like a little baggie, and in this baggie we're gonna put some swag. So how about a nice CBG sticker? How about an emergency sticker? Sure, why not? I do have a couple of pieces of candy, some handmade, homemade guitar picks. I got a buddy of mine who makes these smashed penny Cigar Box Mementos. These are awesome. His name is Patrick Hughes. He does Disgraceland cigar box guitars. Look him up on the internet. Patrick Hughes is an awesome cigar box guitar builder, and he also makes these pennies that are cigar box guitars smashed. Very cool. So then a couple of slides. I got the PVC slide. You got the copper tubing slide. We have also the bottleneck top that's been cut with the tile saw slide. So this is just a little extra swag. Swag stands for stuff we all get. And everybody needs a man card. Actually, this is my business card. So I'm going to give them two man cards in this. And last but not least, so this is going in there too. Last but not least, we have a size large gray 6 strings or 3 strings too many. And this will also help keep it nice and secure. So now we're going to just button it all up, pack it all up. And again, this thing is going across the world, so I'm going to make sure that it is 100% secure and jam-packed. We're looking good. And just like that, we're ready for the address. And then I put this little fragile sticker on it so that everybody knows not to throw it. So that's how you pack a whole bunch of love into a little box. So now I gotta go stand in line at the post office. Yay!